Okay, let's look at another example. A map scale is given as 1 centimeter ratio 20 kilometers. That means for every 1 centimeter on a map, it represents 20 kilometers in real life. Convert these lengths on a map to actual distances. So I know 1 centimeter is 20 kilometers. 5 centimeters will be equal to what? Go from 1 to 5, I have to times it by 5. I will do exact same. 5 times 20 is equal to 100, which 5 centimeter will be equal to 100 kilometers in actual distance. Exact same on this side. 1 centimeter to 20 kilometers. 8 centimeters will be equal to 1 to 8 times it by 8. So do exact same on the other side. Multiply 20 by 8, it will give me 160 kilometers. Yes, if you're clever, you can just simply multiply this. But because we have learned this method and we have been doing this for quite a few days, so it's easier to understand. Now look at this question very carefully. Convert these actual distances to lengths on the map. Now the actual distance is given. We have to find out the length on the map. So what are we going to do? We can still do it in that way. 1 centimeter ratio 20 kilometers, which is given in the question. Now I have this side, 40 kilometers, will be equal to how many centimeters? 20 times 2 gives you 40 kilometers. That's what you need to find. It will be 2 kilometers. For 2 centimeters, sorry. 2 centimeters. 40 kilometers is equal to 2 centimeters. Now again, 1 ratio 20. 120 is given. What do you have to do to go from 20 to 120? 20 times 6 gives me 120. If I just do workings out here, 6 times 2 is 12. This gives me 120. So I have to multiply it by 6. I will do exact same on the other side, which is going to give me 6 centimeter. There is another way to do this bit because we are going from bigger to smaller. So I will just divide it by 20. I can just divide it by 20. This one I have to multiply. This one I can divide. But I would still prefer you to do this method. If I just divide 40 straight away by 20, it will still give me 2 centimeters. And if I just divide this by 20, it will still give me straight away 6 centimeters. Again, as I always say, whichever method strikes your head is good. We are doing this for many days. I would still recommend to stick to this one.